Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a short one today. I'm going to share with you my green fruit juice smoothie. It's packed with tons of nutrition. It's very good, sweet, and it's very good for you. It's very easy to make. So let's get started. Okay guys, before I begin, I just want to share with you I'm going to be using the raspberry zinger tea for my liquid base. This will give it tons of flavor without any extra added calories. So let's get started. Okay guys, I've got some spinach here. I've got about 15 grams of spinach. I've got some celery. This is just one stalk, and I like to use the leaves. Leaves have so much nutrition in there. I've got some bananas. I got 35 grams of banana. I've got some apple. Got about 43 grams of apple. I've got a little bit of mango. This is about 40 grams of mango. And I've also got 1 cup of the raspberry zinger tea, unsweetened. So let's get this going. What you're going to do is just add all of your ingredients into your cup here. And we're just going to, if I can find it, fill it up to right below the max fill line. Should take about 1 cup. Perfect. Pop the lid on. And let's blend this up. Now you can run this through a strainer if you don't want the pulp of everything in here, but there's so much nutrition in the pulp, so I'll just leave it as is. And that's my green smoothie. Okay guys, here is my green fruit smoothie. It looks absolutely delicious. Now I like to have this with the pulp in here, but you can definitely strain it out if you do not like that. But there's so much nutrition in here from the skins of the fruit, especially the apple and the celery from the leaves. They hold so much nutrition in their outer layers, like the skin or the leaves. So I add that in there, but this is sweet as it is for me, but you can definitely add a little bit of honey or agave or some stevia if you like. But it is so good. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.